Welcome back. Hi, this is Murli Dhulam. Today topic we'll discuss about confidential computing. Generally, we are trying to purchase items in the Flipkart, e-commerce website like Flipkart, and we are doing some transactions through mobile banking websites, and we are using mobiles. Also, organizations they are trying to store the data, their application data in the cloud servers. All these scenarios we need to think about data security. So let us try to understand that. So if you observe data here, current encryption methodologies. First one is data at rest. Other one is data in transit. Once it is done, we'll move to data in use. So first, let us see data at rest. Whenever you are storing the data in some devices, some storage devices or database. First, let us see encryption in data at rest. So generally, we are using laptops, right? At that time, we are storing some data. We are providing security using for Windows. By using BitLocker, we can provide the security. We can secure our data. And next one, data at rest. Second, next option, database encryption. We are saying whenever you are storing some transactions in the database, application related transactions in the database. So at that time, transparent data encryption in data, transparent data. And other one, self-encrypting device drives. So nowadays, our laptops, we are using SSD drives, solid state drives. So it's also providing encryption methodologies. And whenever you are storing your data in the clouds, cloud storage, cloud vendors are offering encryption. S3 storage, AWS S3, Azure storage, as well as Google. These are all providing encryption. Server side encryption, you can see SSE to protect your data. And other one, we are using mobile devices doing for transactions. So if you observe Android or iOS, they are providing data protection as well as encryption as well. So these are all we are saying data at rest. Till now we observed data at rest. Now let us see data in transit. It means whenever you are trying to exchange the data, it is untrusted public or private network. So let us try to understand how they are providing encryption data in transit. So whenever you are trying to connect your office to from your home, it is a work from home. We are doing some work from home. At that time, we need to connect our office network through our internet. So at that time, we'll use VPN. So VPN provide encryption so that we can secure our organization data. This is the data in transit methodology, one methodology we are seeing. Next one, SSH, secure shell. Right? So suppose if you are trying to log in your service, so your organization service, or if you want to transfer some files, so at that time we can use secure shell, SFTP protocols, data in transit, and and one more is wireless encryption. So we need to connect our devices through Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. At that time, if you observe your device, Wi-Fi settings also, there you can see WAP2, WAP3 settings, protect, Wi-Fi protected access. Okay. So here it is providing encryption. And one more, instant messaging. So whenever you are using WhatsApp Messenger, there we can see some encryption messages. Generally, we are seeing that. So here also they are offering encryption, data in transit. So these two methodologies till now we observed. First one is data at rest, and second one is data in transit. Existing encryption methodologies we observed. Now, so whenever data in use, it means so whenever you are trying to store the data, so while processing happening in the RAM or computation, so how to protect your data? There is a possibility for hacking the data. So how to protect your data in use? Let us understand for this confidential computing. We can use confidential computing mechanism. So here there is a consortium, confidential computing consortium. Here it will collaborate hardware vendors, cloud providers, software developers. hardware vendor like Intel, cloud providers like AWS, Azure, to accelerate or to adopt trusted execution environment. What is trusted execution environment? Let us see. We can call it as TEE. Now let us try to understand what is trusted execution environment. If you observe application servers or systems, see here normal system, hardware, virtual machine, operating system on top of that application. Any malicious it damages your application OS or VM to steal your secrets. Normal system. Suppose if you are using trusted environment execution with SGX nothing but software guard extensions. If you use this process, so you can reduce the attacks, or you can say smaller attack surface. So by using this, malware cannot steal secrets, even though damaging OS, BIOS, right, and VM, some parts of the application. We can reduce the attacks here by using this synergy. We can reduce the attacks. So what are the use cases here? So nowadays we are seeing multiple smart solutions, IoT related scenarios, smart homes, as well as we are doing transactions through mobile and QR code. Also, we need to secure our credit card information, medical information. These are all things we need to secure. So at that time, we need to adopt this scenario. And let us try to see confidential computing website as well. Confidential computing, the website consortium, confidentialcomputing.io consortium. So here the members are, different members are there. It's a part of Linux Foundation.